This 2017 Grand Design Reflection 30BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 33 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 7, leveling jacks, TV, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, DVD player, oven, stovetop burner, skylight, external shower, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Grand Design Reflection 30BH is 9,105 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.